Looking to start your own moonshine adventure but feeling overwhelmed by options? Here are the 5 best moonshine stills for beginners, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. The vevor 3-gallon alcohol still. The vevor 3-gallon alcohol still caught my attention right away with its sleek stainless steel design and the price tag of just $84.42. If you want a compact still that's user-friendly for beginners, this is worth a serious look. This still features a built-in thermometer and a water pump, which means you can easily monitor the temperature and maintain optimal cooling during the distillation process. That's crucial for getting the best flavor out of your whiskey or brandy. With a capacity of 3 gallons, it's perfect for small batches, allowing you to experiment without overcommitting. Plus, the double thumper keg is a fantastic feature for enhancing flavors, making it easier to produce quality spirits right at home. Now, some users noted that the instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing though, most beginners will find the trial and error process part of the fun, and there's a wealth of online resources to help you out. This is perfect for you if you want to dip your toes into distilling without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you're looking for a larger capacity or advanced features right away. Overall, for the price, it's a solid entry-level option. Now, if the capacity of the vevor 3-gallon bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach, the vevor 8-gallon alcohol still. Product number 2, the vevor 8-gallon alcohol still, priced at $99.90. This one really stood out to me with its impressive capacity and a range of features designed for both beginners and experts. If you're serious about making larger batches of moonshine, this is definitely worth considering. What I love about this model is the substantial 8-gallon capacity, which allows you to distill up to 30 liters of raw material. This means fewer runs and more time enjoying your homemade spirits. Its copper coils provide speedy cooling, crucial for maintaining the quality of your distillate, while the built-in thermometer makes monitoring the process a breeze. Plus, it comes with a water pump to enhance cooling efficiency, which is a big win for consistent results. However, some users have mentioned the weight of the unit, which is about 15.77 pounds. Sure, it's a bit hefty, but that also means it's durable and built to last, especially if you're planning to use it regularly. This is perfect for you if you want to create larger quantities of moonshine or experiment with different flavors. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight or portable. For what you get, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want to keep things simple. The Hydrometer Mead Wine Beer Brewing Kit. Product number 3, Hydrometer Brewing Kit. The Hydrometer Mead Wine Beer Brewing Kit is a budget-friendly option at $21.99, and it's perfect for those just getting started with brewing and distilling. If you're looking for a simple tool to ensure the quality of your moonshine, this is worth a serious look. This kit comes with everything you need to measure the specific gravity and alcohol content of your brews, which is essential for any beginner distiller. Understanding these measurements can help you fine-tune your recipes and get the best results from your still. Plus, it's easy to use. Just submerge it in your liquid and take a reading. The clarity of your results can really make a difference in your final product. On the downside, it's primarily a testing tool and won't directly help you with the distillation process itself. If you're looking for a complete distillation kit, this isn't it. But here's the thing. Every distiller needs a good hydrometer to track their progress, and this one is highly rated by users for its accuracy. This is perfect for you if you want to ensure your distillation process is on point with precise measurements. Skip this if you're looking for an all-in-one solution. At this price, it's a must-have for any beginner. Next up, if you're looking for a complete distillation kit, you might want to check out the vevor 8-gallon distillation kit. Product number 4. Vevor 8-gallon distillery kit. The vevor 8-gallon distillery kit is priced at $92.90 and combines several features that make it a great choice for beginners. What caught my eye was its comprehensive setup that makes distilling at home much easier. If you want a straightforward solution for making your own spirits, this is definitely worth your time. This kit includes everything from a stainless steel distiller to a built-in thermometer, allowing you to monitor your distillation without any guesswork. The large capacity means you can produce a decent amount of product in one go, which is great if you're looking to share with friends or experiment with flavors. Plus, the copper tube enhances the distillation process, ensuring the purest spirit possible. One thing to keep in mind is that a few users reported issues with leaking if not sealed properly. That said, as long as you pay attention to the assembly, it's a minor concern compared to the value this kit provides. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use distillation kit that can grow with your skills. Skip this if you prefer a smaller, more portable setup. It's a great investment for beginners. Now, if you're curious about the theory behind distilling and want to dive deeper, the last item on our list is a must-have, the Joy of Home Distilling book. Product number 5, The Joy of Home Distilling. We have The Joy of Home Distilling priced at just $8.60. This book is a fantastic resource for anyone looking to deepen their knowledge of distilling. If you want to understand the craft behind making spirits, this is definitely worth picking up. This guide covers everything from the science of distillation to recipes for making your own vodka, whiskey, and moonshine. It's packed with tips and tricks to help beginners avoid common pitfalls, which can save you a lot of time and frustration. Plus, the price makes it an easy addition to your distilling toolkit. However, a few readers felt that it lacked some detailed technical information. It's true that some advanced distillers might want more depth, but for a beginner, this book will provide a solid foundation. This is perfect for you if you're eager to learn and want to avoid mistakes in your distilling journey. Skip this if you only need a practical guide. For the price, it's an invaluable resource. Now, let's wrap things up and take a quick look at all 5 options. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the vevor 8-gallon alcohol still, because it balances capacity and ease of use perfectly for beginners. Avoid the hydrometer if you're looking for a full still setup. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.